Hey, catch my heart, catch my heart, baby. Catch my heart, catch my heart, baby. Da 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 baby. Da 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 baby, baby. 겉으로 봐서는 날 몰라요. 커다란 나무도 잘 올라요. 시력 그날만 척해요. 완전 굿. 다 알라니까 몰라. 살짝 cool. 느낌 왔지? 무표정한 얼굴도 재밌네. 찌릿해. 딱 걸렸지. 서로 눈이 말려. 심장이 down down 또 down. 사랑의 화살을 당겨봐. 심장이 down 또 up down.
What defines what we live for? In Mark chapter 7, Jesus defines what defiles a person. He said, "For from within, out of the heart, the center core of our being, the one that drives how we think, comes only evil thought, acts of sexual immorality, theft, murder, acts of adultery, deeds of greed, which is a byproduct of covetousness. That we come out with all sorts of wickedness, deceitfulness, indecent behavior, and